So I'm behind my wife in my truck the other day on the bike, and I noticed that my top brake light, it looks pink. It looks like it's light. I don't know if this camera's going to show it, but the bottom ones are a nice red. They actually look darker red with my eyes than it do on this phone. But the top light, it looks pink. Like, I think that LED must be a white LED trying to shine through a red lens. So I was like, well, I've done replaced these two with the VLED upgrades that have the 3 Cree LEDs per side. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and upgrade the last one of these. So it came in the mail, and it's 40 bucks. But I've been really impressed with these VLEDs. This one's going to be a red, so you can't tell now, but hopefully these are already VLED, and they are really bright and really red. So I'm thinking, I'm gonna take the cover off. I bet you that LED up there is white, and it's trying to shine through a red lens, and that's why it kind of looks pink. So let me get this done, and I'll come back with a verdict. Yep, just like I expected. It's a white LED trying to shine through the red lens, making it look pink. So let's swap this out real quick and see how it looks. Alright, it's just like my other one. The other video I did, replaced, he had 3 of these in there, and they were that blue, that real white with a blue look to it, LEDs. So now we're all VLEDs up here, and these are the 5000 Ks, a little bit a warmer light, and there's the red. It's got red 3 on each side, and now this whole thing is done. Let me put the cover back on and check it out. All right, there it is, replaced. I don't even have the lens on it yet, and it's already red. Oh, it's actually a lot darker red than what this is looking like in this camera. So let me put the lens back on it and check it out. All right, done. It's hard to tell during the day, but to my eye, man, it is brilliantly red now. Like these, actually, yes, as red as these. It's hard to tell during the day, but oh yeah, it's much better. No more pink. White light trying to shine through a red lens. Oh yeah, it looks a lot better. So, just a quick isolation video. Some VLEDs installed. Now all those are VLEDs. Those are VLEDs. I don't know if the turn signals are. No, the turn signals and the reverse. I don't know what those reverse lights are. Those are something else. Those don't look, that might just be a different style bulb, but those look almost just like what I just took out right here, but with less LEDs in it. But yeah, I know those are VLEDs, and they're red too. They're freaking awesome. So we're done. It's all red now. No more pink.